take a look at this function that I wrote called process log. You don't need to understand all of the logic, but you can see that it takes in 5 parameters here, and only one of them is mandatory. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see how I'm using partial to really simplify the call to this function and split it into 2 distinct types of calls that I probably would do quite often. The first is one for processing error logs. So you can see that I'm using a partial call for process log. I'm passing in an error pattern, timestamp format, and severity threshold. Notice that I don't need to include all of the arguments here, so I haven't included the include metadata one, for example. I just included the ones that I always want to pass when I'm processing some type of error log. Same thing for an audit log. If we have an audit log, maybe we don't care about the error pattern. Maybe we don't have a severity threshold, and that makes sense because it's just some type of log. So we have a timestamp format and we have include metadata, and now I can call it again just using my log line. By using the partial, it makes it significantly easier to read. It allows us to really self-document exactly what's going on, and it will also include and keep all of the type hints for the original function. Partial keeps all of the type hints in the original function information, which if you wrap it with another function, it doesn't, and you would have to rewrite all of these arguments.